So weather condition in the Bighorn Mountains. We got some rain. Temperature outside is 44 degrees. Capture a little bit of video here of the Bighorn Mountains. It won't be long. This will be turning into snow. Yeah, Eric, I know. Jack Frost is on the way. But you'll be nice and warm over there in Maui, where it's sunny and 75 every day. Alright, it feels like it. Anyway, heading back down. This is called the Tin Sleep side. But they got a little bit of sunlight to get you home. You guys have a wonderful evening. Take care. God bless.